Böhler welding stick electrodes have been developed to meet the highest expectations and provide the best solution for your welding job. Regardless which industrial challenge, you will always find the right electrode in our portfolio. Böhler Fox EV50 is a synonym for quality. For decades, it has been setting the standard for basic coated E7018 types. Böhler Fox OHV is a rutile-coated electrode and one of our best sellers. It is easy to weld in nearly every situation and every welding position. As a pioneer in filler metals for joining, Böhler Welding offers a unique, global and customer-focused portfolio for lasting connections.